The Roomie Tec Dylon Cordless vacuum offers impressive cleaning time with a rechargeable battery that allows up to 25 minutes of use in eco mode, making it perfect for extended cleaning sessions. Equipped with an advanced HEPA filtration system, it effectively captures nearly all dust and pet hair, ensuring a cleaner and healthier home environment. Its lightweight design, complemented by LED headlights and a crevice tool, enhances its versatility and convenience, making it ideal for reaching tricky corners and under furniture. This vacuum's large dust capacity of 1 liter reduces the need for frequent emptying, while its self-standing feature adds to the convenience of use and storage. The Roomie Tec Dylon easily converts into a handheld vacuum, making it a versatile choice for quick cleanups and pet hair removal. With its powerful suction and cordless design, this vacuum provides the freedom to clean anywhere without the hassle of cords.